Hi, Saul here from Websand. In this simple video, we're going to show you the process of creating your sender profile within Websand. Really important step. Without it, you won't be able to send any emails. So pay attention and hope you enjoy.
Hello again. Right, so we've got our data in. The transactions are all processing behind the scenes, and then this dashboard will start to populate. I'll do another video to talk you through that once that's all done. We've got our audience in there. This is all dummy data. The next bit is to set up our sender address and then create your first template. So first thing, I'm going to go to this area here, send identities, because if we don't set up an email address that we're sending from, we can't send any messages. So Saul's Shoes. And the email address I'm going to send it from is going to be Saul's. Let's see. With fitting at saulsshoes.com. It's going to be from Saul's Shoes, so that's the name that would appear in the inbox. This is the email address is being sent from, and it's all any replies are going to go to help@saulsshoes.com. A lot of people say, "Oh, I want to send a no reply email." You want replies to come through. Really, it's the biggest part of engagement, isn't it? If somebody replies to an email, that's worth more than an open and a click. In a lot of cases, certainly in regards to the inboxes and the inbox bouncers. Have a look at the blog or one of the email marketing 101 videos that we did about that. So from with fitting, Saul Shoes, help at Saul Shoes for reply, and it's going to be Saul's Shoes, Shoe City. Which state am I in? Shoe County and which country? Well, I'm in the UK. Might be able to tell that by the accent. And then if we click on create sender, that's going to create the send address. So we have a mechanic that we can send from.
Hope you found this video useful. If you'd like help to grow your e-commerce business through email marketing, we'd love to help. So please get in touch or sign up for a 14-day free trial at websand.co.uk.